If you're all from Bangalore, anyone from Karnataka, south of India? Kannada Nadina Hiriya Makkale. Namaskara. It's a folk dance form from Karnataka, and it involves a very rhythmic clapping of the kamsare, which you're going to notice on stage. It's a type of a handheld cymbal. Kamsare Mela is a popular folk song which deals with the history of Mahadeshwara, of the Mahadeshwara Betta or hills, a renowned pilgrim center which is situated near Mysore. The fairs are usually held during Shivratri, Ugadi and Deepavali, which is the festival of lights. The artists on stage performing this would be Ramesh Racherla, Durgesh Kaligada, Suresh Kumar, and last but definitely not the least, Disha. Their performances in Ireland include for the Kannada and the Telugu associations. They are actively involved with the association themselves. The song Kolu Mande Jangamadeva, while worshipping Lord Shiva in rural Karnataka, the singing troops travel from village to seek grains and to, basically begging for alms in that way and spread the message of Lord. The song also is very pacey and has got some really good dance moves. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Kamsare Bharat.
Thank you.